Hello, welcome to this step-by-step guide on filling out the IIHS University Master's Program Application Form. I'll walk you through each section of the form, explaining what information you need to provide and how to enter it correctly. Let's get started. To start off, go to the www.iihs.ac.in and click the Apply Now button. Register or log in from here. You will receive a validation email on your registered email ID. Click on the Validate Email button, which will lead you to the admission portal. If your My Profile section opens up, you will have to fill out the mandatory fields and proceed to start your application. The application form has 6 parts. You have to fill in each part to complete the process. All questions marked by an asterisk are compulsory. Before you start, please note the mandatory documents you will need to upload. All documents have to be in the PDF format only, except for the photograph, which will have to be in the JPEG/JPG/PNG format. There are also some other documents you may need depending on your answers. All documents have to be in the PDF format only. As you fill up the form, you will notice that some fields are disabled or grayed out. These fields will be automatically filled based on your previous answers, so you do not need to worry about them. Also, certain questions will appear or disappear depending on your responses to earlier questions. Don't worry about these. They are designed to be that way. We start the application with a question on your citizenship. The master's programs at IIHS University are open only to Indian citizens. Click on the drop-down and select India. Part A of the application requires your personal information. Under 1A, enter your full name exactly as it appears on your Aadhaar card, including middle names and initials. If you don't have an Aadhaar card, you can use any of these government IDs: driving license, passport, or voter ID card. In 1B, upload the relevant government ID. Question 2A confirms whether your name on your graduation document matches the name on the government ID you uploaded in question 1B. Questions 2B and 2C will appear only if you have chosen No under question 2A. Type your full name exactly as it appears on your graduation degree or provisional graduation degree or graduation mark sheet or last available university mark sheet, whichever document you have. In 2C, upload your graduation degree or provisional graduation degree, graduation mark sheet, or last available mark sheet from university or college. Similar to question 2A, question 3A confirms whether your name on your class 10 certificate matches the name on the government ID you uploaded in question 1B. Questions 3B and 3C will appear only if you have chosen No under question 3A. Enter your full name as it appears on your class 10 certificate. In 3C, upload your class 10 certificate. Question 4 is an important declaration. You have to confirm that the name you've provided is your full and correct legal name, and you agree that this name will be used for processing your application and for all official university documentation if you're admitted. Enter your date of birth as per your class 10 certificate under question 5. Questions 6 and 7 will be auto-filled based on your registration form. For question 8, enter your home phone number. If you don't have a landline phone, you can skip this question. Enter the full names of your mother and father in questions 9 and 10. In question 11, enter your current address here accurately. Fill in all the address fields carefully. This is where important documents will be sent. If your address is outside India, enter the PIN code as 0. Question 12A asks if your permanent address is the same as the current address you just entered. If your answer is no, then enter your permanent address under 12B. Under question 13, upload a recent passport-size photograph which has been taken within the last 2 years. The photo should look like you. Great job! That completes Part A. Let's move on to Part B. Part B of the application form has only one topic: which master's program you want to apply to. Question 14A is where you indicate which master's program you wish to apply to. Question 14B asks if you'd like to be considered for another program if you're not selected for your first choice. If you selected yes in 14B, 14C needs you to specify which alternative program you'd like to be considered for. Perfect. Part B is complete. Let's go on to Part C, which is all about your educational qualifications. Part C is a detailed section where you'll provide information about your educational journey, from your 10th grade all the way to your graduation and any additional qualifications. Keep your educational certificates handy. Question 15 asks for your details about your 10th standard or equivalent education. Fill up all details from 15A to 15K. All these fields are self-explanatory. Question 16 asks for similar details regarding your 12th standard or equivalent qualification. The fields are similar to question 15. Question 17 is an important section about your graduation degree. Make sure you have your degree certificate or latest mark sheet ready. Question 18 is an optional question. You need to answer it only if you already have a master's degree. Question 19 is also an optional question. You need to answer it only if you have any additional degrees or diplomas or certificates. Question 20 asks you to select a category for your educational qualification based on your most recent degree. Choose the category that best fits your educational background. Please refer to the instructions under the question if you're not sure of the category your discipline falls under. Perfect. Part C is complete. Now we move on to Part D, where you can share your work experience. Part D is optional and allows you to showcase up to 4 different work experiences, internships, or volunteering roles. If you don't have any relevant experience, you can skip this entire part. Question 21A asks if you have any work experience, internships, volunteering experiences. Select yes here, else choose no, and move on to Part E. If you've chosen yes in 21A, select work experience and enter the required details under that. If you make multiple experiences, select work experience 2, 3, 4 as appropriate and fill out similar details there. Note that if you selected yes for currently working, the end date field will be hidden or disabled. Question 22 is an optional text field where you can describe any other relevant experience that doesn't fit into the structured work experience format above. This could include short-term internships or freelance projects, volunteer work or community service, research projects or academic collaborations, leadership roles in clubs, societies, or organizations, any other experiences that demonstrate your skills and interests. Write your response in up to 300 words. Excellent! Part D is complete. You've covered all your work experience and other relevant experiences. Now let's move to Part E. IIHS University allocates diversity points based on different socio-economic criteria as part of its commitment to diversity and inclusion. To be eligible for diversity points, you must fit one or more of the relevant categories in the questions below. Important: if you select responses that have diversity points, you must provide supporting documentation. Candidates who do not provide supporting documents by the deadline will be disqualified from diversity points consideration. In 23A, select the category applicable to you. If you selected SC, ST, or OBC in 23A, upload a valid certificate issued by a competent authority under 23B. If you selected any of the other options in 23A, then question 23B will not appear for you. In 24A, select your gender. If you selected female or transgender in 24A, upload any government ID that shows your gender. If you selected any of the other options in 24A, then question 24B will not appear for you. In 25A, select the category applicable to you. If you selected a disability category from the options available, upload your UDID, Unique Disability ID card, or a certificate from a competent medical authority under 25B. If you selected any of the other options in 25A, then question 25B will not appear for you. In 26A, select the category that represents your family's annual income. If you're claiming diversity points based on income, upload a valid state-issued income certificate, not before FY 2024-25 under 26B. Also, upload other relevant certificates like BPL card, ration card, etc. in a single PDF file. Question 27 asks about the location of your +2 schooling. provide the details and documentations as required here. In 28A, select the highest education level of your father from the drop-down. In 28B, select the highest education level of your mother from the drop-down. In 28C, upload a self-attested statement of your father's highest educational qualification as applicable. The template is under question 28A. Please download and take a printout and fill the form and then upload in PDF format. In 28D, upload a self-attested statement of your mother's highest educational qualification as applicable. The template is under question 28B. Please download and take a printout and fill the form and then upload in PDF format. In 28E, you have to confirm that the information provided about your parents' education is true and correct. Select I agree here. Wonderful! Part E, diversity points, is complete. We are almost done now. Let's go to the final part, the declaration. Part F, declaration. This part has just two simple questions. Question 29 asks you how you found out about IIHS University Master's programs. The drop-down will have various options like social media, friends and family, website, education fair, etc. Choose as many options you think are applicable for you. Under 30A, you must confirm that all documents and information provided by you in this admission application form are true, complete, and correct to the best of your knowledge and belief. Read carefully and select I agree. Under 30B, you must confirm that you understand and accept that if any information or document submitted by you is found to be incorrect, false, or misleading, your application may be rejected without notice. You also understand that the university may rescind any offer of admission and may initiate legal or disciplinary action against you. Read carefully and select I agree. Congratulations, you've completed the IIHS University Master's Program application form. Before you submit, double-check all entries for accuracy, make sure all required documents are uploaded, and ensure all declarations have been agreed to. Once you're confident everything is correct, go ahead and click Submit. Best of luck. We hope to see you at IIHS University.